Hi, Anthony Padilla. I saw that you called me trash on your Instagram story because you say I'm claiming to have a mental disorder and that I'm mocking the people with a similar mental disorder as me. Well, fuck you, you dumb piece of shit. I am ashamed, embarrassed, and scared that you are a mental health advocate and that people are coming onto your show to share their stories, to have an open and safe discussion when you just accuse me of claiming that I have a disorder. Oh, you have depression, anxiety? Are you sure about that, Anthony? Because you look fine. Are you claiming to have anxiety just to be cool, you dumb piece of shit? Me, you don't know what goes on inside my head. You've never been in a relationship with me. You're not related to me. You don't even fucking know me, you dumb piece of shit. Can you imagine waking up every morning not knowing who the fuck you are? Can you imagine being in a relationship with someone and all of a sudden you're a switch and you're a different person? Like, who was that? That was a different person. Do you know how fucking scary that is? You dumb piece of shit. And to call me fucking trash for sharing my fucking mental health struggles and not anyone else's, not any of your stupid, shitty people that you exploit. You're exploitative. You're a shitty person, and I am so fucking scared for anyone to go on your show so you can make money and you can be like this white knight and all this shit like that, and then you just turn around telling me what I have, telling me the mental disorders that are in my fucking head. You dumb piece of shit. You should not go anywhere near mental health, mental illness, or any of that shit. You're not a fucking doctor. You don't know me. Don't fucking analyze me. Until you have snapped at your own fucking family, until you've lost your fucking mind on people you love and they're too scared to fucking be around you, don't fucking tell me the struggles that I have in my fucking head and what I claim to be. My truth is my fucking truth, and now you're just bandwagoning on. It's cool to hate Trish. It's cool to mock Trish. It's cool because it's fine. Trish is that. Trish is this. Don't fucking tell me how I think what's in my fucking head, you dumb ass piece of shit. Struggling with something serious, don't go on Anthony's show. I get it. You want clout and you want attention, and like, you know, you have your own YouTube channel you're trying to promote and shit. But if you're really trying to raise awareness for something, don't go on Anthony. He literally just told me that I'm claiming to be something and I'm mocking a community that I myself have very, very much been a part of. Whether they want to accept me or not, it's what I have. It's what I deal with. Call it what you fucking want. Just because you have DID yourself or multiple personality, you don't get to judge the cases of others. Oh, no, you don't. It's not severe. It's not like that. This isn't it. Fuck you. My mom, ask my sister, ask Jason, ask Sean, ask anyone I've ever been fucking close with in my life.